Once upon a time, in an enchanted forest, lived a curious and adventurous young girl named Maral. She loved exploring the magical woods and meeting its unique inhabitants. One day, while Maral was wandering deep into the forest, she stumbled upon a hidden glade. There, she discovered a shy and lonely baby dragon named Drizzle. "Maral, hello there, little friend. Don't be afraid, I won't harm you." Drizzle looks timid but curious. Maral extended her hand, and a bond of friendship was born between the young girl and the baby dragon. Montage of Maral and Drizzle spending time together, playing and exploring. As their friendship grew stronger, Maral and Drizzle stumbled upon an ancient, glowing egg hidden behind a waterfall. They had no idea what wonders lay within it. Maral, excited, "This must be something magical. Let's find out together, Drizzle." They carefully take the egg to a safe place and wait for it to hatch. The egg hatched into a baby phoenix named Sparkle, a creature of fiery beauty and grace. But something was unusual about this phoenix. It couldn't fly. Maral, Drizzle, and Sparkle trying to help Sparkle fly. Maral, determined, "Don't worry, Sparkle. With friendship and determination, anything is possible." They faced many challenges along the way, but their unwavering friendship and belief in each other kept them going. Montage of the trio working together, training, and encouraging Sparkle. After days of hard work and dedication, Sparkle finally took flight, soaring high in the sky with joy and gratitude. Sparkle flying gracefully with Maral and Drizzle cheering below. "Maral, you did it, Sparkle. I always knew you could." The tale of Maral, Drizzle, and Sparkle's extraordinary friendship spread across the enchanted forest, touching the hearts of all its inhabitants. Other magical creatures celebrating the trio's friendship. And so, dear friends, we learned that with kindness, determination, and friendship, even the most magical dreams can come true. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this heartwarming tale, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories. Share it with your friends.